Hi, in this session we are going to understand how to create Linux instance on Google Cloud machines. Let's get started. On your Google Cloud machine, within Compute Engine, we have VM instances available. VM instances actually stands for Virtual Machine Instances. These are virtual copies of real operating system wherein you can install your applications and you can provide access to these applications, which are web applications, using internet to all the users worldwide. Let's get started by creating a new instance. We can simply click on create instance. We are creating a new instance. Let's just call this instance as master instance. Herein you can see that Google Cloud Platform provides you validations. To provide a name of a virtual machine instance, you have to use all lowercase letters, numbers and hyphens. So let's just rename it to master. The zone will be US Central. We are going to access one CPU machine. There are many other configurations available, and as far as your requirement is concerned, you can select an individual configuration. For this demonstration, we are going to get started with a CPU which is 1 core and with 3.75 GB of RAM installed. You can customize it and you can upgrade your account. Using Google Cloud Platform, you can create instances with up to 32 cores. You can boot disk from here. You can select or change the operating system. You can see that here we have a list of operating system images available. There are many instances of Linux machines, Red Hat machines and Windows machines available. You can quickly manage application images and custom images here. At the moment, I would like to get started with Debian Linux, which is Jessie. So we are going to select the following version. We'll take 10 GB space on this virtual machine instance. We'll be using the default service account created for us. We'll allow HTTP traffic because once our Hadoop is running, we need to observe the results using IP address and a port number. So we will be connecting to that application, which is Hadoop, using HTTP protocol. So we have to allow HTTP traffic here. Now we are going to create an instance quickly. There are many other configurations which you can manage on this instance, and you can edit the instances as well. At the moment, my master instance is being created, and once the instance is created, we'll get other information like machine type, internal external IP addresses and the connection types. We can use SSH using Google browser, and we can connect to SSH using PuTTY client as well. In the demonstration today, we are going to use Google browsers to connect to our master instance, and we'll proceed to configurations. Here, once the master is ready, you can see that we have a green tick which specifies that this instance is running at the moment. The master instance is running at US Central Zone. This machine has 1 core CPU and 3.75 GB of RAM installed. Internal IP address is this. External IP address is provided here. We can connect to SSH. There are many options using which we can connect. We can open a new browser window. We can open a browser window on custom port. We can view gcloud command as well, and we can use any other SSH client also. At the moment, we like to get started with the default behavior. That is, we are going to open and connect to our virtual machine instance using a browser window. So let's click on SSH, and as soon as we click, you can see that we'll be available with a new Google Cloud instance, which is a Linux instance wherein we can install our applications and we can perform data analysis later once our Hadoop and MapReduce configuration is ready. By the time skis for access is being transferred, we like to do some changes on this console. So we are live at the moment. I like to change the view properties a little bit. I would like to change the theme to light, the text size to a little large so that you can view it easily, and I would like to change the font type to monospace. So I hope now this is quite clear to you. This is your Linux instance, and you can check the Linux version using the default command uname-a. Uname-a provides that this is a Linux machine which is known as master, which is a Debian Linux machine. Now what next we need to do? Here is your cloud instance ready, and first of all I would like to make you understand, in order to use Hadoop and MapReduce, Java is the prerequisite. To get started with this, we have to install Java and we have to update our Linux instance. To do that, we are going to proceed to installation of Java and updation of Linux instance in the next video. Thank you for watching.